How to repair Dacron on a windsurfing sail. That's what I'm going to do today. I've done this repair many times. What I use, Dacron sail repair tape, needle and thread with canvas white, scissors, and denatured alcohol. Real simple. This is, I guess, more time consuming than could be, but I really like the durability, and with adhesion on the tape and the thread, it stays really good. And rather than just using Dacron without adhesion on the back, it seems to not flap and stay in place a lot better than just using an actual material and sewing. Plus, also when I tape it on, it's much easier to keep it in place. At least for me. The trade-off is the needle gets a little gummy, so I clean that on occasion. This is a 2005 Windwing. It's at 11.6, so big sail, old, and this is where I use the repair tape with threads. This was done previously, and it looks like it might have been an iron-on. That's holding, but other ones with these didn't hold. Here's where this was getting messed up around the boom opening, and lots of layers with thread, and that was one that held, and here's some that I've also done. And these are holding really nicely. Did a couple layers for these, just 2 layers, and that the adhesive with the actual thread just locks it in. This is a 7.1 meter NX 2010. For this, I used 2 layers on the outside and 1 layer on the inside. Put it on there, sewed it up, and use some Sharpie to kind of blend the color. There's 2, and this is a 3rd one right here. And I've used this sail multiple times, and the repair is solid. And the sail I'm doing is the North Sails 9.0 meter warp 2010. So first up, let's take off the tape that did not hold. It's crystal clear Gorilla tape, which is really good for like the actual clear parts of the sail, but the Dacron, it just doesn't hold. And it's kind of working, but yeah, it didn't really hold long term. I'm just gonna take it off. And this adhesion is similar to this adhesion for the most part, what I've seen. Sometimes it holds, sometimes it doesn't. And for Dacron, just best to add threads to make sure it stays. Denatured alcohol. Tape holds as best it can. Get it nice and clean. Use some adhesive on the back. I'll cut off some of the excess threads. Remove the camber cup to give me a little extra working space. And the cool thing is with 3 layers, I don't need to make a huge patch, just a little bit over, a little longer. So I'll cut up some. Round out the corners. And times that by 3. I'll first start with the back. Try to see through, get it lined up right. There we go. Double up here. Nice. Then just cut out some thick canvas thread. Go a little longer than you think you might need, just to make sure you have enough to go back and forth. I just like to do a knot at the end, so there's 2 lines for every time you go through the material. There we go. Nice solid knot. Trim that a little bit. And I like to start on the outside. And before you pull tight, and just go back through here. That'll make it so the knot doesn't go through the material if it ever gets pulled. There you go, just like that. So I'm gonna take a look at the back. Hold the tape to the back, make sure I don't get my fingers as I go through. So this first one, I'm just gonna go around the outside, not too close to the edge, enough to get the outside of the material to hold. go. Now I'm ready to do the inner circle. Smaller circle on the inside. The adhesive gets the needle a little gunky on occasion, so just quickly wipe it and keep on going. Here. That's good. So this is ready for the water. No cure times or anything like that. Just ready to go. One thing about this repair is it is a little bit more time consuming and maybe more complex than other repairs. So if you have a repair that you've done that is like, it's just as durable as this, and this is just this is really durable. This will be great for the water and it'll hold, I think, just as good as a stock piece. And the Dacron sail repair tape is really strong. Even one layer, I've tested it to where one layer of that is like, wow, I can't rip it apart. It's really strong. So 3 layers and this is good to go. Yeah, anyway, let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, share, and thanks. Have a great day and have some fun on the water.